Let's be honest, TikTok is full of fascinating rabbit holes. You can start your day with a quick scroll, intending to spend just a few minutes, but before you know it, hours have flown by. Today on Glowenvy, I'm putting some of the most hyped up gadgets to the test to see if they're genius or just gimmicks. Let's find out. 1 minute you're watching cute puppy videos, laughing at their adorable antics. The next you're scrolling through endless cleaning hacks and gadgets. It's like a treasure trove of tips and tricks you never knew you needed. And you know me, I love a good cleaning hack. There's something so satisfying about discovering a new way to make chores easier. Lately, my feed has been flooded with these so-called miracle cleaning gadgets. Some seem totally wacky, almost too good to be true. Others, I actually felt the urge to add to cart immediately. The promise of a spotless home with minimal effort was just too tempting. So, being the cleaning enthusiast that I am, I just had to try some of these viral sensations for myself. I mean, who wouldn't want to see if these gadgets live up to the hype? Was I sucked in by clever marketing? Or was there some real magic behind these products? Or are these cleaning gadgets truly life-changing? Could they revolutionize my cleaning routine and save me precious time? Keep reading to find out. I'll be sharing my honest experiences and whether these gadgets are worth your time and money. The first gadget I tested was the infamous Angry Mama microwave cleaner. This quirky little device is designed to make microwave cleaning a breeze. You simply fill her up with a mixture of water and vinegar, pop her in the microwave, and let her steam away. The steam helps to loosen up even the most stubborn food splatters, making it easy to wipe them away afterward. It's a fun and effective way to keep your microwave spotless. Next up was the window track cleaning brush. This tool is a game changer for anyone who struggles with cleaning those narrow, hard-to-reach window tracks. Its slim design and unique shape allow it to get into the tightest spaces, effortlessly removing dirt and grime. The before and after results were truly impressive, making this brush a must-have for maintaining clean windows. Finally, I couldn't resist trying out the couch crevice cleaning tool. This gadget is perfect for tackling those pesky crumbs and debris that accumulate in the crevices of your couch. Its flexible and slender design allows it to reach deep into the sofa, grabbing dust, crumbs, and even pet hair. It's incredibly satisfying to see all the hidden dirt being removed, leaving your couch looking fresh and clean. I mean, who doesn't love a clean couch? These gadgets not only make cleaning easier, but also add a touch of joy to the process. Happy cleaning! The Angry Mama was surprisingly effective. This little gadget, designed to look like an angry mum, uses steam to clean your microwave. Steam from the vinegar solution softened the gunk in my microwave, making it much easier to clean. It was a breeze to wipe clean. However, it didn't work miracles on baked-on messes. For those, you might still need some elbow grease. The window track cleaning brush, while a bit fiddly, truly impressed me. This tool is specifically designed to reach those narrow crevices in your window tracks. It reached those narrow crevices and removed dirt with ease. The bristles are firm enough to dislodge stubborn dirt, but gentle enough not to scratch the surfaces. No more excuses for grimy window tracks. This brush makes cleaning them almost enjoyable. As for the couch crevice cleaning tool, this one was a mixed bag. It's designed to get into the tight spaces between your couch cushions. It did a decent job of picking up crumbs and small debris, which is great for everyday cleaning. But it struggled with pet hair on my upholstery. If you have pets, you might need a more specialized tool for that job. So, do TikTok cleaning gadgets actually work? The verdict is, it's complicated. Some gadgets like the Angry Mama and window track brush are genuinely useful and worth the hype. Others, not so much. It's important to remember that TikTok is about entertainment, and sometimes the effectiveness of these gadgets is exaggerated for clicks. My advice? Don't believe everything you see on TikTok. Do your research, read reviews, and most importantly, have fun with it. Happy cleaning! Which gadget was a total game changer and which one was just a fail? Let me know in the comments. And if you love testing viral trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy experiments. See you in the next one!